In general, active transport refers to the movement of molecules across a biological membrane from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration, against the concentration gradient, and requires energy. Passive transport, on the other hand, refers to the movement of molecules across a biological membrane from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, with the concentration gradient, and without requiring energy. Here are some differences between active and passive transport. Energy requirement. Active transport requires energy input, typically from ATP or an electrochemical gradient, while passive transport does not require energy input. Type of molecules transported. Active transport can transport large and polar molecules, while passive transport typically transports small and nonpolar molecules. Rate of transport. Active transport can transport molecules at a higher rate than passive transport. Types of transport proteins involved. Active transport involves carrier proteins and ion channels, while passive transport involves channel proteins and carrier proteins. Saturation. Active transport can become saturated when all transport proteins are in use, while passive transport does not become saturated. Examples: active transport, sodium-potassium pump, calcium pump, and proton pump. Passive transport, simple diffusion, osmosis, and facilitated diffusion.